everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to do some makeup hacks. I was scrolling on Pinterest and this just random pin popped up and I was like, what is she doing with the spoon? And then I opened it and then I was like, but now she's using a fork. So I have a spoon and a fork and we're gonna see if these makeup hacks really work. Might be good. Might be a disaster. If you're excited to kind of see what I can do with some kitchen utensils, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now that I got you guys zoomed in, I do have full face on. Everything's done except my eyes and my nose contour. Those are the two things we're going to try today. I did have an allergic reaction this past week to a makeup product, so I am dealing with some crazy dry, pretty much an eczema. It's at this point I will swell up, I will get hives, and then it dries out and turns into eczema. But we will go on and just make the best of what I'm working with. But in case you're wondering, especially this eye is kind of crazy looking. All right, I will leave the website down below that I found this on, and it's a couple years old. So I found it late, but the first one we're going to try, I'm really curious. You're supposed to use a fork to achieve the perfect nose contour. Essentially, you place it center on your nose, and then you highlight the center right here. Well, let's get it even, Kelly. Okay, you highlight the center right here, and then contour. I guess you're gonna have to turn it carefully and to get there. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? All right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna have fun. All right, for the highlighting part, because I don't know how this is gonna work, we're just gonna use the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder because I don't want to go in with shimmer. Do have company coming over, so I don't want to look too crazy. And then for the contour, I have been loving this bronzer. It's a new find. It's a Maybelline City Bronzer in 200. So we're going to use that one for the contour. I wonder if this would work better with a plastic fork, which I do not have. I just don't like throwing things away, so I don't have like the disposable things. Okay, I have some powder on this. I am just using like an angled brush. Okay, here we go. Alright, so hold it right there at the bridge of your nose, and then you're just supposed to do that center in between the tines, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna not move it. Oh, crud. I'm gonna go in, this is hard, with just a fluffy brush, very clean, fluffy brush. I'm going to gently turn it so that these two tongues are flat against my nose. Tap off the excess, and then same thing, you're just supposed to dust in between the two tines. Okay. And then we're going to go to the other side. Now I have contoured my nose with this powder, so I do know that it works really well. Though I feel like I'm putting fork prints in my nose, which I did. Ah! Okay, I guess I don't like it. Maybe it's because I used a metal fork. I mean, it does give you a line, but it's not blended in. So I guess maybe if you needed help with placement, maybe. And you can't, I mean, I don't know. Did it work? You guys tell me. I kind of feel like, no, it's not like I like it. And how I usually will contour my nose is I pretend that there's just a continuous line to the tip of my nose, straight up to my eyebrow. That's right there. Don't do just part of your nose down here because this all should be a shadow right here. So I think that's so much easier than trying to make sure this stays centered. And then obviously just with the banana powder, you can just straight down your nose. Yeah, I don't think that was a very good hack. Maybe if you were new to it, but like I said, just pretend that there's a shadow and continuous line from your brow. It works. I think the works the best for me. Going to say no. I'm going to say that that is a bust. Okay, for the next crazy hack that we're going to try, we are going to use a spoon. And this one, it might not look the best because like I said, I had an allergic reaction and we're dealing with it. It's going to take a while for this to heal up. And I've never done this because it frightens me because I don't know how to do this well. But essentially, you can take a spoon and place it on your eye, like so. And this is supposed to like help give you the perfect cut crease, easy peasy, right? Seriously, I've never done this. Oh, I don't know what to do. I am going to use the Morphe 9i So Iconic. I've really been loving this palette, so it was just another excuse to kind of dig it out and use it. Alright, I'm going to start with a big fluffy brush for my crease. And I'm going to go into the shade The One right here. This is going to be difficult. So you place it and it's supposed to sit just underneath your bone. So we'll do that. Oh, this is weird having my eye closed. I don't know if I can do this. So just back and forth, trying to blend that in. And I don't know if it's blending because I have one eye. Maybe I had it in the wrong spot. Okay, so inner corner and under the brow bone. And we're gonna go back in with the same color, fix this line. Hopefully, no, it's not gonna be too crazy. It did give me a line though. I mean, so that's super exciting. Okay, hopefully that's really weird with only having one eye vision. I mean, there's a line definition there. I am going to put some eye primer on just so I can make sure that I get, like, very good pigment. And for that, I did get out the Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer in Nude. I really, really love this stuff. I'm going to take a very small concealer brush. I don't know if it's a concealer brush, but that's what I use it for. Warm it up on the back of my hand. I mean, if you were really good at this, I suppose you wouldn't need to use the spoon, but I kind of I'm thinking because there's already a line there, I just have to color by number, kind of stay within the lines. I could do that. Okay, so we have that all done. I'm gonna kind of let that dry. Now that we're all dried down, I am going to go in with a fluffy shader brush and the color Classic down here. And just kind of stipple that where we placed the eye primer. Okay, so that's supposed to be like one and done. I don't know about this. Maybe my eye isn't big enough for this, but I feel like there's too much of a gap there, or maybe that's just not my thing, I guess. I think that maybe that's why I just never did it, but we're gonna try to make it work. I'm gonna go in with kind of a fluffier smudger brush in that same brown, the one, and I'm going to go and maybe smoke it out, define it a little bit. And with this, I'm going to pretend that my lower eye line, so however your lower eye line is, just going to keep swooping straight up to my eyebrow until I meet the shadow that stopped with when we use the spoon. So tilt my head just a little bit like that. Smudge it a little bit. Did I just make it worse? Is it working for me? I don't know. Oh, isn't makeup fun? Okay, I am okay, I think, with the way this is looking. It's giving me a very sharp corner here, which I feel like is really bringing my eye up without having to use a darker liner. Whether this is the right way or not to do this, I don't know, but we're kind of playing with stuff. I am going to go into Bow Down right here. And I'm going to take my liner brush, and I'm just going to tuck this right into my lash line. Just to kind of thicken up my eyelashes a little bit. And this is pretty much being pushed right into my lash line. Slightly above. Okay, that's about where I'm going to leave it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here is the finished look. I think I kind of like it. It's very, very different on me. And it was kind of easy with the spoon. So I think the spoon method, it works. I think maybe I'll get like a specific spoon that I will keep downstairs with my makeup table. And the fork trick for contouring the nose, I'm going to say pass on that. Keep the forks upstairs, keep them in the kitchen drawer. It's going to be a lot easier for you if you are new to nose contouring, is to just take your natural arch of your eyebrow and straight down your eyebrow bone all the way down the side of your nose. It's so much easier than using the fork. So that's a bust. The spoon is a win. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried these or try them, and let me know what you think. You know, can you get the fork hack to work? If you like today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Help my channel out, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. I do uploads every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!